ইন্ডিয়া প্রিমিয়ার লিগ 2024 ম্যাচ নাম্বার 150 মুম্বাই ভার্সেস কলকাতা টুডে 7 PM both team playing in 11 Mumbai Indian best playing 11 number 1 Rohit Sharma opening batsman number 2 Ishan Kishan wicketkeeper and opening batsman number 3 Surya Kumar Yadav one down batsman number 4 Tirak Barma middle order batsman number 5 Tim David middle order batsman number 6 Nair Udara batting number 7 Hardik Pandya bowling all-rounder and captain number 8 Mohammad Nabi spinning bowling number 9 Jasprit Bumrah fast bowling number 10 Kuljarti fast bowling number 11 PH Chawla spinning bowling Kolkata Kings Rider final playing 11 number 1 Philip Salt opening batsman number 2 Sunil Naran opening batsman number 3 Bhagneshwar one down batsman number 4 Suresh Iyer middle order batsman captain number 5 Ender Lasser bowling all-rounder number 6 Linku Singh batting number 7 Lamdeep Singh middle order batsman number 8 Borun Chakraborty bowling all-rounder number 9 Suyash Sharma spinning bowling number 10 Mitchell Starc fast bowling এবং number 11 Harshit Rana fast bowling